What's up, you guys? It's Jose Zuniga from Teaching Men's Fashion, and for today, I'm gonna be covering a highly requested video, and that's how to properly style joggers. Joggers are a trend that came about around, I wanna say 2 years ago, and people still wear them, and I get questions all the time on how to style them, and there are definitely some rules to them. So let's get started. First of all, it's gonna be choosing the right pair of joggers. One thing that I will never agree on is wearing joggers or trying to wear joggers in a more like business casual or even trying to dress up joggers. I personally don't like that. Regular chinos that are in joggers form, I would never recommend. Or dress pants and joggers, I've seen people actually trying to wear joggers with suits. That's horrible. You have to keep in mind that joggers are very, very casual. So you need to find the right ones, and those usually are tailored sweatpants. So those are the joggers that are made from more performance materials, like the one you see, these that you see right here from Memorial, or even a cotton type of sweatpant fabric. I personally prefer more the performance one because it looks more athletic, more chic, and I believe more stylish. Which leads me to the second point, which is also very important. Understand that joggers are super casual, so don't try to take them out of where they belong. So joggers really, in my personal opinion, only belong when you're lounging around the house, at the gym, or for casual errands if you're going for an athleisure look. But anything more is unacceptable. So don't wear joggers with loafers or joggers trying to wear with a suit. That's a horrible clash, and you're wearing the item outside of where it's meant to be, at least in my personal opinion. So those are the two most important rules. Once you have your right joggers and understand you need to dress them in the right situation, now we're gonna go into styling them. So first, let's start with the tops. So with joggers, keeping in mind that this is a casual look, you have a couple options. You can go with a tank top if you're going to the gym. You can also use t-shirts. You can use both casual t-shirts if you're going for more of a casual athleisure look, running around errands at the grocery store, or you can use a performance t-shirt that's made out of a performance fabric. In my opinion, the latter is the best option because it just makes you look athletic and like you're a gym freak. Another option is that you can actually start layering as well. So if you have the full complete tracksuit, that looks, in my opinion, even cleaner. Having a complete tracksuit, in my opinion, is probably the best way to go. You can throw that on top of any type of t-shirt, and like you see here, this is a complete Umoro tracksuit that looks more street style and also perfect for the gym. But you also have the regular tracksuit made out of cotton, like this one that you see here that I've talked about. This was from Boohoo Man. Like I said, my personal opinion, I prefer the performance fabric. It's more breathable, it looks cooler, and it's not as warm. Then you gotta look at shoes. Now shoes, they're very limited. Keep in mind you're going for an athletic look or something very casual. However, just because it's very casual, not every casual sneaker is gonna suit it. So in my opinion, keep it to athletic sneakers like Nikes, Adidas, Reebok. This is gonna look best. Here I paired it with some NMDs, and in my opinion, it is a match made in heaven. So this is probably the best way to go. Stick to training style sneakers. While you can try to explore a little bit and throw in some dressy style sneakers like maybe some Adidas Stan Smith, again, the NMD far outperforms it style-wise, and it suits the look better. So like I said, when it comes to shoes, you really don't have many options when it comes to joggers because you want to keep the look athletic, casual, and like it belongs. All right, guys, so that's it for me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to drop down a like